Today we're going to do canned fruit sorbet, peach, in our Ninja Creami. This is exactly what I did. I used 2 cans of peaches in water, rinsed them out, put them in the creamy container with monk fruit, and froze it for 24 hours. So today in my Ninja Creami, I'm gonna try to make a peach sorbet. So I used the Western Family peach slices, monk fruit, and water, and put it in the creamy jar up to the fillable line. Okay, this is what it looks like, frozen for 24 hours with the monk fruit. I don't know if this is gonna work, you guys. We'll see. Okay, I got it in the creamy container. Put the lid on. You know I can't do this with one hand very good. Oh, I did it today. Okay, up there. Now it's full. And then it's going to be sorbet, okay? It's going to be loud. It's going to be 4 minutes. I'm not going to show you the whole thing 4 minutes because it's just too dang loud. Okay, so this is what it looks like after one mix. I'm gonna do it for a second one. I should have let it sit out for 20 minutes and I didn't. That's my fault. Okay, I'm gonna go a second round. You guys, I just took a little taste test. It's so delicious. Okay, this is what it looks like after 2 full cycles. Honestly, you guys, it tastes and looks delicious. I used 2 cans of the peaches in water, rinsed them out good. Then I filled it up to the water. I put a bunch of Swerve in there. You can do it sweetened to taste. Enjoy.